Hello, welcome back to my channel, and we're back doing some more street scrapping. So let's see what we can find. So let's scrap it and let's go. Woo, look at this. No, it's not my bike. Wish it was my bike, but it's not. But look at that. We got some more down there. Let me grab it. Let me grab those first. Fairly nice. This is the right time to collect scrap wires like that because all the flats where the students rent, they all renovating them, so nice time to collect some scrap wires. Ugh. Not gonna say no to none of it. Damn. Wires galore. It's a very nice find. Morning, sir.
How you doing?
Yeah, not bad. I think I have to jump in here, grab the rest. Yep, there we go. We've got more of these. What have we got here? Empty bags of candles. Nope. Some aluminum. Never say no for Ali. Alright, so just drop that little piece here. Nice. Just gonna bend it because it's soft metal, so you can bend it up to fit in the bag. Oh, this is like a blind. Just work this out. That way for plasticky bit. Sorry. Yeah, sorry. Do you have any more scrap throwing out?
Not here.
Not here.
Not at the moment.
Okay, sir.
To get stuff from time to time.
All right, thank you. There we go. Some nice alley. On to the next one. I just asked permission. They told me yes. So let's go and see what we can find in there. Some wires. Not much, but every little bit. I got a toaster and a microwave. I'm gonna get the cord out. Elevators. Yep, that's it. So somebody's with a truck. Can get this little fridge here. We're gonna see if we can take it out. the wires. All them components, it cut it all off already. Got another lumpy lump. So it's tied up. Nice lump. Got some more fly tipping. But as you know, television, I'll just grab the wires for the time being. On to the next one. We got some wires in here. It's on the street. From an extension, cut this extension. Let's clean it back up. This is what we found. The next one, and I got some fridge and a television. Gonna be going front in the landfill. Got a tip deck, stereo deck. Got a microwave. Sometimes I just scrap the microwave to get this motor out, but today I'm just going to show you the quick way what I do. And for fridge. Oops, fridge television just fell down. Let me just get the oil. Everything is falling down now. Yeah. There we go. Gonna fix everything back up. Put everything back where it was. And get some of these wires. And I'll tip the deck. And I think that's it. Yep, that's it. Just some old beds. Yeah. Nothing too much. Okay. So we're gonna have this tip deck here. Another tip deck to scrap. Let's go to the next one. Anything else in here? Let's see. Nope. See, the skipper just asked and they said I could go through. So let's see what we can find. The telephone. There we got some wires. Some power supplies. We got a fan with a motor. Some more scrappy scrap. Collecting all this little brass in there. Oh, that's a nice piece of wire. Very nice, thick copper. All of this little brassy brass. Nice. More brass. More pieces of brass. See you. See, so what I found. Let's see if they got any more. Oh wow, look at that. A nice little piece of copper piping. Oh, I see a little piece here. Yes. Any more? Any little piece, every little helps. Okay. He said they didn't have much, so I believe him. Still look, any little piece, every little helps. Yeah, I think that's it. No. Yep, that's it. Nice. On to the next one. So, in an hour and a half, this is all what I found. Doing just an hour and a half, that's nothing. Get some stripping wires. Got this lovely bit. Get some from Skips. Well, the last Skips I've been through, they were not fully yet, but hopefully in a couple of days or weeks time, them Skips will be a little bit full. I already asked permission, so the geezer said I could just come in and just, as long as they have it in the skip, I could grab it all. So we got this aluminium, the telephone, got some of the lovely copper pipe, some keys. Gonna get the motor out of this fan to get the copper out of here. We got this car CD player deck thing. Some aluminium. Next I go do some micro scrapping these. Whilst I'll be scrapping all of these brass of this on the switch, telephone, and some of the household cable. I think I'm gonna strip this household cable because you get more money if you strip them. Yep, that's it for now. So I have a next video coming up soon. I done all the stripping, all the micro scrapping all together for next one. And I hope you all enjoyed this one. I did. And we'll see you on the next one. See you later. Bye.
Copper, brass, aluminum, they're mine. Scrap assassin, yeah, I'm on that line. Cashing in on every single find. I'll hustle for that metal, that's my grind. Copper, brass, aluminum, they're mine. Scrap assassin, yeah, I'm on that line. Cashing in on every single find. Not curious, I'm serious, pulling in that way. No one better than me, I'm here to dominate.